Hello guys, just wanted to update you on the repair of a Dynam T-28. Busted the landing gear out of this, especially the nose wheel, in a competitive fun fly this past weekend. And you can see the nose had been broken and hot glued before. Really in bad shape. Hot glued it again and it just wasn't being stable. So what I did was cut all this foam out of here, as you can see, and cleaned that all up and squared it up. But the challenge came in how can I glue a new platform in here to put that gear on with. So what I came up with was a little tool I made, and it's nothing more than a 440 push rod. You can see it there. Fits back in here like this. But all I did was heat that up with a propane torch, and you don't have to heat it up to where it's red hot, but get it pretty warm, and then check it with on a piece of scrap like here. And when I got where it was just pressing in there without too much pressure, I thought it was about ready. And the slot looked like it would fit 1/8 inch ply, which worked out perfectly. So I heated this up using this plastic guide and this back edge here as kind of the guide. I heated this up and just pressed it in there. Checked it with a piece of scrap and ended up being about a 1/4 inch deep slot by about 1/8 inch wide, thick. Did it on this side, went in about 3/8. You can see goes in there nicely, just like that. So after that, I fabbed up a piece of ply, sanded the edges where it wouldn't catch going in. See, this slides right in there nicely, and it's solid. I'll probably put some small triangle right here, give it some extra reinforcement. We'll see. But then this will give me a nice bed to remount this landing gear. I think I still have to shim it up a little bit, so I may have to put a spacer in there. You can see right here. May have to put a shim on that wood. But I'll get everything lined up, cut a hole for my servo lead, and be back in business, ready to mount up. As you can see here, the motor again. Just remount that. Put a little more maybe foam here to pretty that back up. May not need it at all. Just let the air flow through there, but it might want to create more of an air scoop that goes here, and that keeps your ESC cool and exiting the airplane. Also, one more mod I always do is cut a hole back here so you can exit some cooling air. Most of the guys in the club have upgraded these to a 40 amp ESC with the original stock motor, and you can run a 4S 2200 LiPo in here, and this little plane really performs. It's a lot of fun. You can see you got a lot of time on it, a lot of dings. It's no hanger queen, fly out every day, but just kind of wanted to show you what we're doing. This is an old gear that actually works. You can see it here. There it is, spring loaded. Need to put some lube on it, looks like, but that's from the hanger shop of Steve Bird. Easy way to cut a slot in a foam with a hot wire. Thanks.